In this video, I'm going to teach you how to co-op in Honkai Star Rail. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as of the time I'm recording this video, there aren't any co-op events or co-op capabilities on Honkai Star Rail. Seeing as this is the launch version, it is possible that they're going to add it in the future, but I will just want to clear this up and tell you that in this video I'm going to show you the process of actually adding your friends. In the future, if a co-op functionality is added, you should be able to access it just like in Genshin Impact by going over to your friends list. So inside of the game, after you unlock the friends function, open up your phone and you will be able to see the friends tab over here at the top between store and assignments. Select friends and immediately you will be able to see all of your friends and also the option to befriend strangers. At the top you can type out any user ID you wish to add your friend. When you look for their UID, you will be able to preview their profile and send a friend request by clicking on this button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Like I said, the current co-op or friend functionalities are very limited, but they should add more in the future. For now, you will be able to add your friends and see them on your friends list, but there's not much you can do besides that. I hope I was able to help you on how to co-op in Honkai Star Rail. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.